Triumph Renown. The Triumph Renown is strictly the name given to the Triumph's large saloon car made from 1949 to 1954, but it is, in reality, part of a three-car series of the 1800, 2000 and Renown models. Together with the Triumph Roadster, they were the first vehicles to carry the Triumph badge following the company's takeover by the Standard Motor Company. The Triumph Racers Owners Club Limited, formed in 1975, provides support to some of the remaining Racers saloons. The club bans Triumph part sales to the USA and Canada. As of 2016, the club knows of around 250 of these cars distributed worldwide. The later two series of cars with chassis numbers commencing TDB and TDC have survived better than the earlier two variants. This may be due to the commonality of most of the mechanical parts with the standard Vanguard, which was produced during the same period. These cars provide an elegant sedate motoring experience. Those that were fitted with the Laycock de Normanville overdrive are able to cruise at around 55 to 60 miles per hour and return a fuel consumption of about 25 to 27 mpg. The cars were distinctively styled in the later 1930s folk for Razor Edge coachwork used in the 1940s by others, including Austin for its big shoreline. The 6 Light, featuring 3 side windows on each side, design and the thin C-pillars at the rear of the passenger cabin anticipated the increased window areas that would become a feature of British cars during the 1960s. The car's side profile resembled that of the contemporary prestigious Bentley saloons, which some felt was more than a coincidence. Similar styling subsequently appeared on the smaller Triumph Mayflower. The managing director of the Standard Motor Company at that time, Sir John Black, commissioned the design of the Racers saloon. There has been much discussion over the years as to exactly which designers of that period were responsible for the styling, but it is very clear from the records that Sir John drove the production forward and used the Triumph name from the pre-war Triumph company that had been bought by the Standard Motor Company. The body was built by Mulliners of Birmingham in the traditional coach builder's method of sheet metal over a wooden frame. The principal panels were constructed not from steel, which was in short supply in the wake of the Second World War, but from aluminium. It had been used extensively for aircraft manufacture during the war, which had taken place in a number of car plants, known at the time as shadow factories, in the English Midlands. But by the mid-1950s aluminium had become the more expensive metal, which may have hastened the Renown's demise.